Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start with simple diagnostics before opening anything. Unplug the charger and remove the battery if it is removable. Inspect the charger for frayed wires and the connector for bent pins. Check the charger LED and test a known good charger or different outlet. Look for any lights on the laptop, including keyboard or power LEDs. Note any beeps or blinking patterns for later reference. This quick checklist saves time and avoids unnecessary repairs or parts replacement. Perform a power reset to resolve many startup failures. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to drain residual charge. Leave the battery out and the charger unplugged for 1 minute after that step. Reinsert the battery and plug the charger into a different outlet and try powering on. If the laptop still shows no image, boot with an external monitor to confirm whether the display is the issue. Watch for fan noise and drive activity while attempting to power on. If resets fail, prepare recovery and hardware steps before panic. Create a Windows 11 recovery USB on another PC if needed for repair and reinstallation. Try resetting BIOS by removing the CMOS battery for 5 minutes to clear settings, then reassemble and boot. Test individual components like RAM modules and SSD by reseating them carefully in their slots. If you suspect a failed motherboard, charger, or screen, contact manufacturer support for warranty options or certified repair. Backup data when possible before any invasive fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.